Hi, I'm Daniel LeBeau, and welcome back to the Fourth Revolution, where I discuss stocks for your portfolio of the future. Today we'll be talking about the huge drop-off and marginal recovery we had yesterday. So, last week was the worst equity downfall since the financial crisis in 2008, and Monday, yesterday, was a very hot day for stocks, with the Dow Jones gaining 1,300 points, which is the most one-day point gain in the history of the index. And today, the stocks are down another 2.5% to 3%. And this is a very, very hot time for trading. And millennials' favorite trading platform was out of commission, leaving 10 million people with no way to buy or sell any assets on the Robinhood app. And this problem has continued into this morning, into the Federal Reserve's unprecedented rate cuts. And this is, in this hot time of trading, this is huge news for a trading company that's new to the markets and has a sizable amount of clientele. For long-term investors on the platform, this wasn't the end of the world. But for those of us with a healthy risk tolerance and trade options that were a little bit more volatile than normal stocks, this could have been devastating. Yesterday's rally demolished last week's put holders, with them unable to get out of their positions. And users on Reddit's Wall Street Bets have been posting their daily losses due to yesterday's asset freeze, with losses ranging from tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands for some of these option holders. Many are saying that they are going to threaten a lawsuit against Robinhood for these huge losses. And it could be a big class action lawsuit to look forward to. I think this company is protected legally, but we will see if this lawsuit can play out. The mobile platform was completely down from 10:30 Eastern Standard Time Monday morning all the way through 2 a.m. Tuesday. It was restored, quote unquote. A total system outage lasting 16.5 hours. I put quotations around restored because the system wasn't actually fully restored this morning, as I was having issues selling out of my options. So I purchased a Microsoft call. Thank God it was a call on Friday, when I was unable to liquidate my position this morning after the huge rally yesterday. And it took me at least 10 attempts getting this error that you see behind me. And I ended up losing over 30% of my gains before I was able to sell. The company released an email this morning at 2 a.m. to everybody with an account saying that the system was back up, and that the rumors circulating around the leap year issue were false, and that they said that they could potentially be compensating some of these losses depending on the circumstances. So like I said, I think Robinhood is protected legally, but their reputation is not. Robinhood doesn't want to lose its massive amount of options gambling clientele that tend to take massive risks on margin, something that has been a proven profitable segment for this business. Specifically those on Wall Street Bets that have shown huge losses on this margin and on these option trades. So many Robinhood traders, as you could expect, are now seeking out other platforms, such as TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform, which I actually just signed up for today. I think that we're going to see more traders moving out of Robinhood and into more mature trading platforms like Charles Schwab, like E-Trade, and like Interactive Brokers. The list goes on. And obviously, this outage shows the immaturity of this platform and an inability to be able to handle the amount of volume that they were seeing in the last few days. All these major brokerages have dropped their commissions to zero because of the industry-disrupting trading startup, Robinhood, and now investors have their pick of the litter from all of the different top-of-the-line brokerages. If Robinhood doesn't effectively alleviate the massive losses that these traders have experienced from the system-wide outage, they risk losing all of their 10+ million clientele. So look for these clients moving to Ameritrade, E-Trade, Charles Schwab, and many of the other brokerages, as this could potentially push up these companies' top lines, as 10 million clients is no drop in the bucket. So thank you for watching The Fourth Revolution, and I look forward to speaking to you guys next time.